Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. This video is one of the assignment for English Proficiency. My name is Muhammad Akmal Afi bin Muhammad Nasir from UMPACE Kuantan, Group Q. My metric number is 302865.
And Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Anis Nabila binti Cik Malik from UUM PACE Kuantan, Group Q. My metric number is 302827.
Yeah. Okay. Today we would like to share our experience about balancing career, study, and family life as part-time student.
The title of our presentation is Challenges and Experience of Working Adult as Part-Time Student.
Okay. So introduction to our study journey. Studying while working is not easy, especially as a part-time student. Both of us are continuing our study at UMPACE while managing our career and family responsibility. As adult learners, we need strong commitment, discipline, and good time management. Sometimes we feel tired and stressed, but we continue because we want to improve ourselves and achieve a better truth, a better future.
For us, education is very important. Even though we already have job and families, we still want to gain knowledge and deliver our skill. Being a student again after years of working is a very different experience. We need to adapt to assignment, online class, presentation, and examination while still focusing on our daily responsibilities.
Okay, as for me, balancing work, study, and family is very challenging. I work full time, and sometimes I have meeting outside the area. We are weeks when I need to travel for official meeting and programs. Because of that, my schedule becomes very packed and tiring. Sometime after returning from work late at night, I still need to complete assignment or attend online discussion with classmates. There were moments when I feel exhausted because I need to focus on many responsibility at the same time. However, I always remind myself that this journey is for my future and also for my family. As a husband and a father, I also need to divide my time wise after work. I try to spend quality time with my wife and children. Even simple moment like having dinner together or helping my children are very meaning to me and meaningful to me. Um so Sometimes during weekends, I need to attend class or complete university tasks. This means I have less time to rest. So I usually plan my schedule carefully by creating a timetable and prioritizing important tasks first. One important lesson I learned is that time management is very important for part-time student. Without proper planning, it is easy to feel stress and overwhelmed. Besides that, support from family is also very important. My wife always encourage me to continue my study even when I feel tired. Her support give me strength and motivation. I believe that continuing education is not only about getting a certificate, but also about improving ourselves, building confidence, and becoming a better person.
Okay, Afif. For me, being a wife, a mother, an employee, and a student at the same time is not easy. Every day, I need to manage many responsibilities from morning until night. Before going to work, I need to prepare meal, manage the household, and take care of my children. After work, I continue with house chores and family responsibilities. At night, I need to focus on my study and complete assignments. Sometimes I feel very tired physically and mentally. There are moments when I need to stay awake late at night to finish university work after everyone in the family has gone asleep. As a mother, I also want to spend enough time with my children because family is my priority. So, balancing study and family requires a lot sacrifice and passion. One of the biggest challenges for me is manage stress and emotion. There are times when assignment, work pressure, and family responsibilities happen at the same time. During this moment, I try to stay calm and positive. I also learn the importance of communication and teamwork in marriage. My husband and I support each other by sharing responsibilities and encourage one another during difficult times. Although the journey is difficult, I feel proud because I am still able to continue my study while taking care of my family. I believe that education can help us become better individuals and create a brighter future for our children. This experience also teach me to become more disciplined, independent, and confident.
Okay, from our experience, we learned that studying as part-time student requires sacrifice and determination.
We also learned that family support, communication, and good time management are very important, Nafif.
Yeah, even though the journey is challenging, we should never give up on our dreams and education.
Age, work, and family responsibilities should not stop us from improving ourselves.
In conclusion, balancing career, study, and family life is not easy, but it is possible with discipline, support, and strong motivation.
We hope our sharing can inspire other working adults who want to continue their studies.
Thank you for watching our video presentation.
Thank you and have a nice day
Assalamualaikum
and
and goodbye.
goodbye.